Hollywood is mostly all about the great stars, and we just love to know what's going on for them and what their style is. So what about some of the up-and-coming ones, like the gorgeous and very talented Emmy Rossum? This actress and singer has the voice of a nightingale and the looks of a fairy tale princess. She just glows with something special, and her style is, well, just incredible. Emmy was out and about recently at the Gucci and Cinema Society hosting of Oz the Great and Powerful, looking very ladylike. And what about this little number? Check out the jeweled headpiece and the perfect do when she created a buzz at Elton John's AIDS Foundation Academy Awards party last month. Here's Emmy looking very chic at the LA premiere of Beautiful Creatures, a romantic supernatural drama she starred in. Now, doesn't she just look dreamy? And finally, looking flawless in a stunning couture gown with a pair of red pumps and chopard jewels to finish her look. So does Emmy get your style vote? Make sure you leave a response below and click subscribe for more great style stories. Thanks for watching. This is Angela Anderson, your host for NTD Entertainment.